Meet the specialist for high-efficiency restoration. This is the Gusrom GSM 4 West. Unlock true rotational freedom. Our advanced 4-axis linkage adds a rotary A-axis to the standard X, Y, and Z motion, enabling 360-degree machining for smoother, flawless surfaces. Precision is built into every component. Equipped with premium linear guides and ball screws, we ensure a positioning accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. Every movement is calculated. Every cut is exact. Speed meets versatility. The 60,000 RPM high-speed spindle powers through glass ceramics and titanium premills effortlessly, reducing your machining time without compromising quality. Gusrom GSM 4W. Precision in every turn.